Hi, welcome to the Cordless Vacuum Guide, and this video will be part 2 of the Roborock H6 review. In the first video, the sample I got from Roborock didn't have the soft roller brush, so they sent me one to test, and we will look at it closely in this review. When the H6 becomes available in May, there will be two options to choose from. First is a sub-model with a soft roller attachment, and another option with a standard brush roll. To learn more about the Roborock H6, please check the description to see the link to my review. If you haven't done so, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified when I publish new reviews, and let's get started. The H6 soft roller is almost as good as the Dyson V8's version when it comes to cleaning surface dirt, particularly on hard surfaces. It didn't have any problems picking up dirt like Cheerios, Quaker Oats, coffee, quinoa, and even sand. I tried using it at the low and middle settings, and for me the results are impressive, even at the lowest setting, which helps it run the longest. Take note that you may need to go over an area more than once, particularly if you're cleaning sand, but that's a reasonable trade-off at the low setting as the soft roller runs much longer and you'll be able to cover more ground. I tested the soft roller tool on sand and it managed to pick up everything on the forward pass without any splattering. One reason to use the low setting is that it minimizes debris from being kicked forward, as in the case with the Dream V10 when I tested it on sand and quinoa, because the roller spins too fast. Another thing I like about the soft roller attachment is the steering. Compared to the standard brush roll, it's smoother and it turns more effortlessly. All you have to do is flick the wrist and the head turns. Its design is almost similar to that of a Dyson, but not as smooth in my opinion. The standard brush roll also did well at the test I did, picking up most of the debris from Cheerios to fine sand on low pile carpet. One thing that I'd like to point out is that this tool has a sensor, a similar one found in the Dyson V11, where it increases airflow when it detects carpet. It doesn't matter if you're at the lowest setting, once it detects a change in brush resistance, the airflow increases automatically. So in essence, the standard brush roll will only run at the max setting on carpet even when you put it at the lowest setting, if that makes sense. The estimated runtime on this setting will be around 20 minutes. The timer in the OLED screen is quite accurate. I've tested it and the H6 will run for around 10 to 30 seconds further after the timer goes to 0. When it comes to deep cleaning carpet, the H6 is above average. It was able to pick up 83.62% of sand on medium pile carpet. However, when you compare it to other premium options like the Teneco Pure One S12 and the Dyson V8, it isn't as good. And since it only runs in the max setting on carpet, the range is somewhat limited. Tools will clean underneath furniture without any major issues, but I feel that the soft roller steers much better on tight spaces. However, both tools don't have the LED headlights, so visibility won't be as good. The advertised runtime of 90 minutes may sound ambitious, but it actually came very close to that mark in the tests I did, but with only non-powered tools. It ran for more than 86 minutes in the lowest setting, and even at this setting, it has enough airflow to pick up different types of debris like sand and Fruit Loops, as long as it fits. However, for a vacuum that runs as long as the Roborock H6, the dust cup is quite small with only a 0.4 liter capacity, and you'll have to empty the dust cup when it reaches this level as it regurgitates dirt out if it goes over it. Overall, I like the compact design of the Roborock H6, especially with the soft roller attachment that steers better than the standard brush roll. It cleans almost as well as more expensive options like the Teneco Pure One S12 on hard surfaces. However, the sensor in the standard brush roll doesn't give you an option to select a fixed power setting, so it'll basically run on the max setting when cleaning carpet. Not an issue for cleaning performance, but it shortens the runtime drastically. I like that it has a digital trigger lock that makes it easier to use this for longer stretches without tiring out your hands and wrist. The lightweight design and bevy of tools make it ideal for handheld use on different areas around the home. Lastly, the H6 comes with a 2-year warranty that covers the replacement of the battery just in case it breaks down within that period. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified when I publish new reviews. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below. I'll answer them as soon as I can. And I'll see you in the next video.